Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soda talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Friday, May 1st, 2020. And the signal I have to share for you is for GBPCHF. Okay? And if we look here on the 4-hour chart, we have a pretty strong signal to sell. And as you can see, it's already been dropping. Okay? Now, the reason I chose this is simply because I don't have any fresh signals to share with you, unfortunately. It's just how the market is going right now. So I went ahead and picked this one simply because it has broken trend. Okay? And it's already dropping. If we draw a trend line like this coming up, we see that yes, it has broken trend and is definitely dropping. Okay, so right now is an excellent time to go ahead and place a sell trade. And what we're looking for, you can keep this on the 4-hour chart, and what we're looking for is a red arrow to form. I mean, a blue arrow to form. Once you get a blue arrow, you can close the trade. Now, this is going to take some time, and today's Friday, so it's not going to close until sometime next week, probably Tuesday or even Wednesday. Okay, that's what I'm guessing. So you definitely can catch some pips on the way down. If it drops all the way back down to where this blue arrow is right here, you're going to catch a lot of profit. Okay, but what we need to note right now, though, if we drop down to a 1-hour chart, watch this. 1-hour chart, we have a up arrow, we have a blue arrow right here. So what that means is that it's most likely going to retrace. Now I can tell you right now, because I've been watching this for the last couple hours, this indicator has repainted. You do not see that, but it has repainted from this candle to this candle, now this candle, meaning that it keeps dropping. Okay, so what we need to do in this particular case, okay, is probably going to go back up simply because we have a blue arrow. At some point it's going to go back up. We know this, right? We just don't know exactly when. Right now it's definitely going into a downtrend. So what I recommend in this particular situation is using my trap in the price strategy. Okay, and how we do that is we're going to put a sell limit pin order above, and then we're going to put a sell stop below. Okay, watch this. This is how we do it. So I'm going to go here on the toolbar and click on new order. Okay, and I'm going to choose pending order right here, and then I'm going to select sell limit for the type of order. Okay, and then right here where it says at price, we want a price that's higher up. So I'm going to use this tick mark right here, which is 1.20 965. I'm just going to use a tick mark anyhow, and I'm going to place a sell limit pending order right here. Okay, so if the price goes back up, I don't think it'll go all the way back up to this trend line, but it's going to go back up a ways. Okay, and hopefully it's going to activate this and then drop back down. Okay, that is the strategy right here. That is the plan for this sell limit pending order. Now, secondly, you want to place a sell stop below. Okay, and how we do that is click on new order also, and then go right here and select pending order, and then type of order you want to choose sell stop. Okay, and the at price, you want to pick a price that's a little bit below the bottom of this candle here, and I'm going to pick 1.20. Let's pick 300. Okay, I can readjust it if I want, and that's should be good enough. Okay, so if the price keeps dropping, then it will activate this. Now there is the chance, okay, this is not a perfect strategy, but there is a chance that this price will drop, touch this, and then go bounce back up, and you'll have a drawdown. But that's okay because you have this sell limit pin order as kind of your safety net. Okay, think of it as a stop loss, but a stop loss with a profit. So I can probably bring this down a little bit lower just to make sure it gets activated. Okay, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, now if we go back up to the 4-hour chart, look at this. Okay, now we have the price tracked. We know the long-term trend is bearish. It will be dropping. So whether it goes up, retraces and goes back up, which it probably will, or if it keeps on dropping, either way we're in good shape. Hopefully if we're lucky, it will retrace and go back up and catch this. Okay. Now, if the price goes back up now and catches and activates this pending order, then all we have to do is simply grab this one and drag and drop it, bring it up a little bit to catch it as it drops back down, and then we'll have 2 trades in profit. Okay, basically a buy one take one, huh? So that is my free daily signal for today. It's the GBPCHF. It's definitely going to be dropping long term. So now is a good time. You could place a sell trade right now and just leave it if you want, but it's probably going to retrace. I recommend this strategy because you can get 2 trades for the price of 1, right? So anyhow, let me know if you have any questions at all about this trade or how to handle this strategy, and I'll be more than happy to help you. If you have not joined my Telegram signal group, also please contact me on Facebook. I can get you added. There's a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. Please contact me there first. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can request to join my Facebook group and post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. Okay. So with that said, thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Have a good weekend.